Hey folks, guess what? Guess what I'm going to do today? I'm going to open a Bunt 16th 26 trading cards, Topps, right here. It comes with this way. You want to do it this way or that way. You got a choice. I want to stack it. 3 digital pack codes inside to unlock digital cards. Let's see what kind of side. It tells the odds on the side. Get a hit or something. And we're opening. This is the first time opening a bunch Topps Bunts. So I got this, I think, from Walmart. Shopping online, Walmart.com. So what kind of excitement, what kind of cool things I'll get? Open the box around now. You know, it's kind of funny. Some people are selling these boxes like in the 80s for like $30. I guess you get the download the app today. On the side. So it comes with 11 cards. 7 cards per package. But I'm not into the app thing, or honestly, I'm not that far advanced yet. So this is what the package look like. In the back, it tells the odds, and so this is once again this is a 2016 Bunt card. Opening it right now. See what kind of excitement. So I got this today. See what kind of cards. Well, Chapman, I got Aaron. Those Chapman. Kind of tells a little bit of story back there. Interesting character. He's from Cuba. J.D. Martinez. Oh, Brand Crawford. Kind of cool. So that's from the first pack. I'm just going to say cards that I'm into or players that I like. I'm trying to go the whole thing. Trying to make this video. I'm trying not to bore you. You got as much I can. Because it's a little different back in the day, man. Back then you could unwrap them and go through the cards and wrap it back. Kind of discouraged the little fraud going on. John Smokes. Oh, John Smokes. That's cool. So this is the first time opening the Topps Bunts once again. Hall of Famer. John Smokes, a Hall of Famer. We'll get digital free pack. Oh, Ryan Sander. I used to watch him a lot on TV because he used to play a lot of Cubs games. We'll get digital. Bob. Carl Fisk. Hall of Famer. Yeah, when he was 27 with the Red Sox and he went to the White Sox, so he switched his number to 72. And rookie Robinson. Oh, this guy. There's a couple. You should check his videos. A couple of him. He was an excellent third baseman. He did amazing plays. And he got earned. That's quite cool. So that's my first time opening Bunts package. Hope we can get more cards pretty soon. So what kind of teams you guys are into? What kind of, you like? Yeah, so once again, it's a bunch 16. Oh, Tim Williams. My grandfather used to tell stories about him. And this guy, little guy, he's like the smallest player. One of the smallest players. I think it's part of the cheating thing because you watched Jimbo's video. Him didn't want to get a shirt ripped because they had some kind of wire. Carlos, man, it was like back to clock day or something. On Tucker looking as a page on the 27-15 White Sox wearing throwback uniforms. So yeah, I guess they're throwback uniforms. White Sox always have interesting uniforms. Back there, they try to get the normal, I guess. So that's pretty much it for this pack. Yeah, my grandpa was a big Red Sox. He's from Maine. He used to tell stories that he used to watch kids play soft Little League. Not creepy or not, but. These cards sometimes are hard to get out. So I'll put that on the price, how much I can pay for it down the duration area. Carlos Corba. Was he part of the whole scandal too? Dusted. Oh, Clay Uckle cut him. One of the best pitchers going around in my generation. Too bad with the Dodgers. Oh, Hank Aaron card. That's cool. Hall of Famer. I think he was like one of the last players to play the majors in the Negro League. Let's see what's going on. Opening cards. Yeah, I really like to know people's opinions about baseball cards. What kind of cards do you still? I guess get some old cards. They're kind of cool. Even the players never heard of common cards. I encourage you guys, order them. Good to have. I mean, some kind of style they have. So this guy, I think he's cheating. Some kind of oil he puts on. He's married to Culver's sister, the Giants. They got Bram Belt. They call him the baby giraffe. So you're a Giants player. They sometimes get nicknames or a namer. John Bolt, 20. He's cool. That's an interesting card. Fronting. I think he's still playing too. A little stories about him. Backside. Who's the skin so true? I hope I say your name right. I hope I didn't sound disrespectful. I can't even say English names correctly. Like Bill. Kind of interesting cards to get. This is one of my longer videos, I guess. Right, fine. I'll try to find cards I know. Justin Upton. I know her about him. Oh, look at that. That's Jesse Posey. He said I had a couple of home runs at the beginning of the season. Had like 3 home runs at the beginning of the season. Matt Duffy. We don't know much about it. He's with the Giants. Young, and I don't know about his career. I always want to go to back to some places. Major League Baseball. They always follow like minor league games. I like minor league games too. I went to a couple of them in Eugene, Oregon. I had to go up there. Stadium's no longer there. Let's see right here. Oh, Darryl Strawberry. This guy could have been a Hall of Famer. So I guess they mixed it up with like old players. Like Block Hall of Famer. A little bit of the story. Oh, the future franchise. That's cool, Manny. This guy had the attitude, Manny. You should look up at his videos on YouTube. How to get into a little mess. Josh Rednick. He's with Houston now. This is when back then he was with the A's. Can't keep their players. This guy was with the Giants for a short time. There's videos of him getting hit a lot. In the back, like, oh. Okay, we got 4 more packets to go. 4 more packets to go. Maybe I'll try the halt the thing, Bob. Oh, this guy's an awesome player. Manuel. Alex Fernandez. Should be Hall of Fame, my opinion. Oh, Andre Johnson, Hall of Famer. Got a little backstory back him. Yeah, I'm in Chico right now. I don't want too many I gotta buy baseball cards. I try to get cards from the dollar store, no luck. No luck there. What else? Open this card. These cards are always interesting. Got a Dodger player. Got Dodgers. John Clay. Kind of cool. Desert Bosey, my dear Giants. My sister named our cats after this young man. Didn't play last year because he adopted 2 infants. He kind of gave him a hard time about it, but I told him it's kind of stupid. Oh, he died, but he named the cove next to the stadium after him. One of the great Giant players. First he died. Got 2 more packets for you folks. Oh, Bo Jackson card. Oh man, I used to like this guy. I still like him. I watched a documentary about him. He's still famous. They still talk about his cards are so worth money. But watching him running the wall. Oh, Randy Johnson, Arizona Diamond. When he played with Arizona, he played with the Giants. He got a couple of his landmarks. He's from Livermore, in Walnut Creek area. He donated. Oh, Norm Ryan, one of the greatest pitchers of mine. John Lester. He's with the A's. With the A's, and then went to the Cubs and won the World Series. And we got 1 more pack for young people, for the young folks. It was an interesting card to get. Once again, it was the first time getting this thing. Oh, Jackie Robinson. Johnny Guido, he does a little shaking thing when he pitches. One thing got blocked doing that. Free pack. Paul Ricken. Hall of Famer. Iron Man. He has an all-time record of playing Iron Man. I am Iron Man. So that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe. We try different things. Let me know what you think. Hopefully one day I'll get better at doing this. Thanks for watching. Bye.